Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign in into your Peacock TV account. So to sign in or log in into your Peacock TV account, for that case you have to open up a browser. On the web address bar type in peacocktv.com and that's going to take you to their official web page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, go ahead and select the sign in button from the top right hand side corner, and as you do that, go ahead and enter in the information. Either that could be an email address or a username and then the password. Once done entering the following information, it's going to log you into your account, and that's how you can log in into your account. However, if you're unable to log in, or if the information seems to be invalid or incorrect, then you can just go ahead and select forgot user ID or password, and accordingly you'll be provided with the instructions on how you can recover your account. So that's how you can log in into your Peacock TV account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.